Are they gonna play that? They ought to.
I like that song.
Running, running.
Nice. Yeah. Got a girl.
Yes, Saul. Yeah. So what? That's good. He's all
Right, top
terrain.
of the list.
He's all terrain.
Advanced Division. Brody, Vinny,
Hey, get your tails
Doug,
ready to slap
Jay,
for Gannon,
Eric,
man.
Gannon, Noah, and Koa.
Where's my tail?
Oh, Michael. Michael, you're on this too, I guess.
Saul, here's yours. Where's mine? That's not mine.
That's the intro
Joe.
run. Intro run.
Where's my darn board?
Yeah. Then,
Oh, I know. It's over here.
So we have Brody, Vinny. Next up is Michael Martinez. Intro run. One of the Lake Cunningham locals. Yeah, he's alright.
Are you gonna stay on this side?
Yeah.
I think I'll
Frontside
join you.
sailfish. He was fishing.
Ah,
Next up, John. John dropping in from the shallow. Big frontside carve. Backside carve over the hip. Going for that backside feeble. In the pocket, nobody ever hits. Jay. Man, now that's a skateboard. I think that thing's a tank.
Get it, Jay! Make it!
Yeah, they used to make them like that. Eric. Rock fake. Tail saw revert on the death box.
that's what I thought it was too. No, I thought that was Harry.
Oh!
He looks like him, kind of.
Mr. Gannon Gage.
It's not. Gannon!
Yeah, big backside carve. Nice frontside whip turn. Let's hear it for Gannon. Noah.
Alexis! Alexis!
Big backside carve over the light. And that's Noah.
How's it going, man?
How you doing?
Good to see you.
Koa.
Who'd you come up with?
Noah. Noah Koa.
My dad dropped me off.
Cool. How come, are you in it?
Oh, no, I'm too late.
Oh, man.
Now I'm broke, too.
Sounds Hawaiian.
You want to sign up?
Fuck.
I got $10. Do it, man.
I want to, but
Do it.
I'm really scared.
Do it.
Light.
Do it.
Yeah. After this run, let me take a couple runs and see if, what can work out, right?
See, ask him if it's okay. See if it's too
I'm
late.
trying to feel comfortable
We're
for
doing
the
run,
because, dude, I
and
haven't
then
skated in a
Ken.
while, so I want to
Same
break
thing
in
as
first.
last time.
Okay.
Just give me a second. Thank you.
Yeah.
Except the advanced division.
Your old students or what?
No, he's skating
Brody
Stockton. He's really good.
Stockton?
Drop it
Yeah,
in.
he's like
Frontside
Gannon's
carve.
good.
Big frontside Smith over the
He'd
tail.
give him a run for his money.
Yeah.
Make it more fun to
Frontside
watch.
lean the tail.
He does sick Texas plants.
Yeah. Front Smith in the deep end. Putting on the face.
I know. He's a machine.
Yeah.
Look at this fucking face.
Yeah! Oh my God!
What? Hanging on to a frontside rock over the dead box. I've never seen him skate this hard. What? Frontside Texas plant. Yeah. Let's hear it for Brody. Petula. Vinny Tanzir.
Vinny!
Come on,
Come on, Vin. Big backside carve in the deep end.
Yeah,
Over
Vinny!
the stairs.
Woo!
Yeah. Nice big lofty frontside grab.
Yeah!
Backside tail block.
He's got
Next up,
really nice
Mr.
frontside
Martinez.
airs. This
Make
guy's
sure you
sick,
drop in
too.
on the death box. Front side over the hip.
Woo!
Yeah, hanging on to it. Front side grab in the deep. Watch that back foot. Yeah, front side lip slide in the deep end. Backside rock and roll on the hip. Nice front side grind over the box. Michael Martinez.
Oh!
In the deep end. Somebody turn the music back on so Daddy doesn't have to call. Next up, John.
Yeah, John!
John, probably from Stockton.
Rippin'!
Ripping, my bad. Nice big front side over the light. Back side over the hip.
Oh!
Alright, hang on a second. So I can get the music back on.
Where's Brian?
This is what it's come to.
Skateboarding,
I
Brian.
gotta make a phone
There he
call.
Oh, there he is.
is. I'd rather hear Winger.
John, can you turn the music on, please?
Hendricks!
Next up, Jay. Let's hear it for Jay.
Good song, but it's slowing down the pace.
Yeah.
Jay with the Hendrix in the background.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh.
Oh, kickflip out. Is he alright? That was a big frontside air. Eric. Man, we couldn't have picked any more ripping music than this, huh?
Right.
Backside Smith in the pocket. Backside carve. Yeah! Backside early grab over the stairs. Frontside grind in the deep end. And a late 360 out, son. Next up, Gannon.
Gannon!
Gannon Gage.
Get it!
Gannon Gage riding
Get
small
it,
beating
get
board
it.
and rocking the thrasher. Big backside card.
Yeah!
Oh, getting sketchy on that grab. Big backside over the stairs. Frontside cradle slide in the deep end.
Come on, hang on.
Yeah, frontside rock and roll in the deep. Hanging on to it, getting loose, getting squirrely. Yeah! Frontside scratcher. Frontside in the shallow, keeping his speed up. Backside carve. Let's hear it for Gannon.
Yeah, Gannon!
What's up, Erics? Yeah, good to see you guys. Noah Elam from Livermore, California.
Go, Noah!
Noah with a big backside carve over the light. Big feeble grind over the stairs. Yeah, frontside Smith in the deep end, rock and roll.
Yeah, Noah!
Koa, you're up. Dropping it in the deep end, Koa Cortina.
Yeah!
Big air over the hip, over the box. Nice frontside grab in the deep. Add a little style to that one. Frontside ollie. Woo! That was one wild rock and roll. Yeah, it's here for Koa Cortina. I don't know, he needs a helmet. You're up! Kinda.
Trash can Lance! He's gonna air over the judges.
Oh, God.
And that was Lance.
Yeah, Lance!
Yeah! Lance rolling in. Riding for Weirdo Skateboards. Yeah, you get your first trick rebate. How thoughtful.
Yeah!
And it's for Lance.
Yeah, Lance.
It looks that way.
Back to the top of the list, we got Brody Petula.
Yeah,
Holding
Brody!
it down, ripping with the mean face.
Oh!
He wants it. Come on, Brody.
Yeah, Brody.
Yeah!
Oh my God!
Brody wants it. Working those speed lines. Working those speed lines.
Woo!
Third time's a charm.
My nuts hurt, man.
Vinny. Let's hear it for Vinny.
Yeah, Vinny!
All the way from
Sacramento!
Sacramento. Sacramento. Backside. Yeah. The trick's so gnarly. Michael Martinez. Michael dropping in. Backside feeble over the stairs. Once I rock and roll over the light. Rock the fakie. Hanging on to it. There we go. Fakie nose pick in the deep. Nice and quick like. Frontside 5-0 revert. Frontside revert out. Pivot to fakie. Fakie slider. Yeah, Brad McLean.
Yeah!
Yeah, Brad. Next up, John from Ribbon. Getting the hang of this. John ripping with some speed.
Come on.
Oh!
Watch it now.
Yeah, dude. Speed.
Take another rebate. Get it back in there. Get it back in there. Frontside carve over the light. Backside over the hip. Working the lines. Ah! Next up, Jay. Where's Jay from? Jay from I don't know. Yeah! Pulling it. Nice. That's a proper back rock and roll. Rock and roll! Man, this music, I'm telling you, I'm sorry, guys. Can somebody make a phone call again? We're going for the third call now. Maybe you'll catch on. Mr. Hutchinson. Drop it in.
Somebody got a ball team? Yeah.
Oh! I don't know why you guys call it a rebate. Technically, it'd be a refund. Right? No, you have to backside rock slide. Going for that feeble.
I was thinking his face was a little older for Harry.
Yeah.
I think it was
Get engaged.
Get it!
Gannon killing it with the Bush English trucks.
right.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh.
Firecracker!
Gannon, we gotta get you some bigger wheels on that thing. With bearing covers. You going again?
Do it!
Rob it in.
Does he only have one good?
Oh! Right over the stairs. Doesn't even matter. Because he's coming back to the deep. Yeah! Rock slide. Slipping out. No Elan.
No, he's got 2 bushes. They're so loose.
Rod for Santa Cruz. Sorry about the commercials. Very embarrassing. Yeah! Frontside Smith in the deep.
Yeah.
I think somebody else rocking that.
Yeah, backside over the stairs.
Is that it is?
Backside early grab. Rock
Yeah.
and roll. Rock and roll. Frontside slider.
If I buy one, can I skate like this?
Rock a fakie. Little half cab slider. Half cabbage.
Yeah.
Nice try, Al.
Man, they're playing all slow songs.
Mr. Koa. Cortina. Yeah! Now that's a proper air. Yeah!
That album's hella fast.
Rock a fakie. Hanging on to it. Doing some breakdancing moves there on the coping.
Somebody's getting tired.
Most of the Energizer with the kids.
Let's see something cool. Roll in on the death box.
Yeah.
Coming in fakey. Fakey thrusty. Alright, so we're going to have an entertaining jam format. Now, if you guys go more than one at a time, please don't run into each other. 'Cause I don't have to fill out any reports. John, drop it in the deep end.
Not really big enough in there to go one at a time, is it?
Get it, John.
Oh!
Now they're playing some fast.
Yeah! Nose grab disaster.
Hey,
Going for the sailfish, got a little upside down there.
Oh. Oh my God! What? When?
Booty.
Holy spare, isn't that his brother in there?
Front side around the hip. Yeah!
Man.
That's what I'm talking about. The facial expressions are priceless. Yay. Jacob's sack of potatoes. Go for that feeble stall. Noah's got the board over. Noah holding it down for the liver mouth. Big backside carve in the deep. Backside feeble over the stairs. Yeah! Front side tail slide.
Just free for all now, right?
Yeah. Yann's got to get in there.
Yeah. Backside. Yeah, frontside grind in the deep.
Make
Jam
it!
from Michael Martinez with a frontside tuck knee.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lance.
Jesus Christ. Did you get
Yeah,
that?
Brody.
Maybe.
Bro die. Koa, Cortina.
Kind of hung out. This kid's hella good.
Frontside nose bone. Over the box. Frontside over the hip.
He could place this, buddy. He's doing pretty damn good.
Nice.
Koa.
Koa Cortina.
Yeah.
Badass.
It's hard though. You got the
Nice frontside all into the deep.
kid.
Yeah.
Brody Petula. Roll in 5-0.
Yeah,
Frontside grind, frontside grind.
Get it!
And his best friend there.
This kid is pretty good. And the Harry look-alike.
Right. There's a lot of good ones, man.
Eric Hutchinson.
Gannon.
To the backside butt stall. Wow, well, no.
Get in, Gannon!
Come on,
Do
get
it, Gannon!
Nose wheeler.
Make an
Yeah.
impression, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, Gannon.
A crail
Get it,
sweep.
John! Get it, John!
Is that what that was?
Yeah.
A creeper?
He did get that one, so
Sweeping crail.
Yeah.
Sounds like a bird.
it's like a karate move.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice, John. Noah back 50-50 over the stairs. Oh, he goes off like that tail slide. Michael coming in with some speed.
Gannon's got to roll in, man. He can do it, too.
Frontside Smith in the deep.
Yeah, Gannon!
If you guys want it, better stay in there.
Come on.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Nice, Gannon.
Oh!
Trash can Lance. Coming in fakey with the buster.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, Michael. Jay dropping in. Yeah, over the stairs.
Video of the fucking bacon.
Get it!
Nice backside rock and roll. Keeping his speed up.
Yeah.
Going for the back feeble over the stairs. John wants it. Koa got it. Yeah, Koa.
I forgot, I'm supposed to be a responsible.
Rock to fakey.
Yeah, they would have called Kristen.
Fakey slider in the deep.
And she'd be calling me like, why the fuck is
Keep
it
it
not
up,
calling
Koa.
you? Got a red helmet and a white wife.
Yeah. Frontside grab in the deep. Gannon over the
Yeah,
stairs.
Gannon!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah, again.
This backside kick turn.
Yeah!
Backside rock slide.
Oh!
Hanging on to it. No Elam. And Eric Hutchinson battling it out. There you go. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, no going
Yeah,
for the backside
no.
invert. Andreck in the shallow. Come on, Brody. Brody with the speed.
Fucking fun to watch, dude.
Yeah! Oh, John.
Yeah, Jay. What a nice feeble over the stairs.
John!
Let's hear it for Jay on that one.
Man.
John dropping in. Front side over the light. Backside over the hip.
That speed, he can get that speed. He
Get
got
it,
it.
John! Get it!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yeah, John.
Front side.
Got front side over the cake.
Front side over the light. Backside carve over the stairs.
Is that what he's thinking? Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
there we go.
Nice big backside carve.
No, out of juice.
No, he's not. You can do it.
Alley-oop turn.
Forgot he had long throws in him, you know? I didn't
Oh,
see his hair hanging
nice.
out the back.
Brody
Remember
Pitula
how goofy he looked?
dropping in with some speed.
Trying to kill John.
Michael Martinez.
Oh! Oh, that was
for you
a sick
on
one.
there.
Did you see that one, guys?
What's
Yeah.
that?
He
Yeah,
went over
safety
the
pop.
kick and then reverted. That was really good.
I was surprised to see that.
Frontside carve.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah. Nice frontside air, Michael. Oh! Gnarly. Lucky. Yeah, sure you did. Yeah, sure. Stay on safe. You learned that from me.
Gannon. Yeah, Gannon.
Come on, get it.
Gannon.
Yeah, he's angry now.
Get it.
Yeah! Oh my God!
Nice. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Get a game. Cole fighting for it. Yeah. Little tuck knee action. Good backside turn. Nice frontside ollie. Let's hear it for Cole Cortina.
Yeah, Koa!
Whoa, whoa.
Getting sketchy, still hanging on to it. Trash can Lance. Your foot came off, yeah. There you go. Now it really came off. Make Madonna proud. Woo! Hey, you were going backwards there. You need a rearview mirror. Fatty to flatty. Yeah!
Hey.
Jay has got a ripping backside feeble over those stairs. Mr. Martinez.
Yeah, John!
Yeah, John. Last runs, guys. Last runs.
Get it.
Yeah, John! Oh my God! Yeah, Gannon! Woo! Oh my God!
Yeah! That's a first.
Mayhem.
Who's gonna go in
Uh-oh.
too?
We got the death match going down.
Oh.
Follow the leader. Make sure you follow the leader. There you go.
Oh
Yeah.
shit.
Follow the leader.
Oh.
Yeah! Then the crowd goes wild.
Oh my God!
Come on, Brody.
Lance is killing now.
Lance White punking the kids.
Oh! Oh.
Yeah.
Get it, Gannon.
Whoa! Power sliding out of that one.
Oh my God! He broke his board? No. Sounded like it. Maybe he did.
Nice, Gannon. Brody Patula. Brody, you've got to get some bigger wheels. Lean back more. Yeah! Things are getting wild and crazy. Woo!
The tail block.
Michael Martinez going for the stale fish. John dropping in.
Yeah, John.
Yeah, John. Pretty sure there's more people watching the contest now than there was in the beginning. Awesome.
Yeah, 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 yeah!
Yeah! Nice, Koa.
Yeah, it's getting a little out of control. It's not even like...
Oh!
Yeah!
There we go. Yeah, Michael!
Has anybody gone over the death box in the deep end yet? I don't think they have. Has anybody? Nobody
Gannon's
has
done
yet.
it. Go, Gannon. He's got
We're
it.
gonna have a best trick over the box.
Woo!
Yeah, Gannon.
Tired, huh? He's not tired. There's no way he's tired.
Yeah, Gannon.
Nice.
I'm tired.
Whoa!
Oh,
Hey, Brody.
Come on, ready.
somebody gets a good trick over the death box, I'll give him one of my skateboards.
Get it!
Oh.
First good trick over the box gets a Josh Balog Pro Model. Yeah, face plant, yeah.
Yeah, John?
Oh. The death box is feeling lonely. Man, that feeble is awesome. Nice, Jay. Lance is trying to steal candy from babies.
Yeah!
Too bad the babies are pretty good these days. Yeah, Cole.
Oh, there it was!
That was over the box.
Yes, it was.
Brody Petula.
Yeah, Brody!
Come on, Brody.
Oh.
I don't know. I think I said first, and Koa did a big air over that box.
Oh my God.
That was a blasting air. Koa, I'll give you a skateboard.
Yeah, Koa!
Let's hear it for the advance. Let's hear it for the advance. You guys killed it. Nice.
Belly rolled in.
Oh my god, yeah. Lance is badass.
He belly rolled in.
I've seen him do that before.
That was punk rock.
And Brody pushed him, was pushing him like...
Judges are going to tally the scores. I'm going to grab some prizes. And I'll be back in a flash.